Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Asyhadu alla ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Terjemahkan bahasa Inggris. Ayo, terjemahkan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I bear witness. There is no God except Allah. And I bear witness that's Muhammad Rasulullah.
Masya Allah. Now you have become Muslim.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.